Hi, I'm Alison Watson. I'm co-founder of Ring 20 Research and Support UK. I'd just like to take a few minutes of your time to talk to you about an important research project for Ring 20 that we're undertaking and why I need your help today. You may have seen on social media, Twitter and Facebook, or even on your weekly emails that you receive from us, that we're currently running some surveys for patients and healthcare professionals to try to get views and experiences of ketogenic dietary therapy in those with Ring 20. We're really pleased to be working with the Patient-Led Research Hub, part of the Cambridge Clinical Trials Unit at Cambridge University Hospitals, who've helped us prepare those surveys. And these have been put together based on findings from reviewing the medical literature, and interestingly, you'll not be perhaps surprised to know that we didn't find much literature written up on experiences of KDT in patients with Ring 20. So we want to find out more because we know from speaking with a number of you that some of you have tried the therapy. For some, it's been a positive experience, and for others, not so. And then for others, you've maybe never heard of it or never even tried the therapy. So perhaps you'd like to know more. So what do you need to do? If you have Ring 20 syndrome yourself, or you're a patient or carer of somebody with R20, please can you complete our family survey that we've sent out to you accompanying this video. We support over 100 families worldwide with Ring 20, and it'd be incredibly useful to hear from as many of you as possible about your views and thoughts and experiences of KDT, or of not even having tried or wishing to experience KDT, because our questionnaire is not just about ketogenic dietary therapy. It will tell us a lot more about the R20 patient cohort and some of your views and thoughts, which will be really, really important for our research findings. Alternatively, if you're a healthcare professional watching this video, we absolutely want you to complete our healthcare professional survey too, because we want to know if you are able to currently offer ketogenic dietary therapy, or whether there are any barriers or challenges that we should know about that prevent you from doing so. Well, what are we going to do with all of this information once we've got hold of it? What's the point of all of this? Why am I reaching out to you today? Well, we've got a workshop planned in May to discuss the findings of the survey results. We're including healthcare professionals, Ring 20 patients and families, the Patient-Led Research Hub, and indeed our Ring 20 trustees. And we want to evaluate those findings with a view to determining whether planning a pilot study or clinical trial into ketogenic dietary therapy might be beneficial for Ring 20 patients, and if so, how we might go about embarking on that journey. Now, this is groundbreaking for Ring 20. Did you know there's never ever been a clinical trial for Ring 20 patients or therapies for them? So what we're doing here is trying to determine whether there is a possible route to trying to understand whether there might be a recommended therapy or a non-recommended therapy for Ring 20 patients, as opposed to the trial and error basis on which you're treated, many of you today. So here's the important bit. There's a deadline. On the 28th of April, in just over 2 weeks' time, the surveys will close. So you only have a couple of weeks to complete those surveys. So please, we're reaching out to you. Please can you complete those surveys today? Just take a few minutes. They're quite straightforward. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us. We really do hope as many of you as possible take the time to give us your views, your opinions, your experiences, to help inform the future of research into Ring Chromosome 20 syndrome. Thank you for listening.